today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get started with voice cloning using HeyGen. Now, HeyGen is an amazing platform which allows you to clone your voice, and you're easily able to create your own AI clone. Whether that is a visual clone or a voice clone, you have the ability to truly do it all with HeyGen. So let's jump right in and take a look at the amazing features and cloning features of HeyGen. To get started, simply click on AI voice on the left, and once you do that, you can click on create new voice. When you click on create new voice, you have the ability to create a brand new AI voice. So you just provide a sample, a couple of different samples from your recordings or your own audio files, and then you create AI voices. You have the ability to create a natural expressive voice, and you can convert your voice into over 175 languages and multiple different accents, and then you can create unlimited videos with your own voice. This is going to be something that is really useful, especially if you're trying to build infomercials or very redundant content where you just want one consistent voice. You don't want to choose and have multiple different AI voices that other people are using as well. If you want something that's really unique for your brand, your business, then creating your own AI voice is going to be helpful. Now, you can do this in conjunction with your AI avatar. So you can click on AI avatar, click on create new avatar, and you have two options. You can start with a video or with a photo. If you start with a video, that is more realistic and it is able to really create something that's very accurate to you. Or you can start with a photo and you can upload a couple of photos. Once you upload those photos, then you have the ability to either link a avatar voice to this particular model that you're creating, or you can add your own voice as well. Once done, you can click on train model and then train your own AI avatar plus voice, which is going to be fully unique and customized. Now, once done, you can proceed and, start using your own customized model. However, this is limited only to the creator plan. You cannot do this on the free plan, so you will have to upgrade to either a creator or a team plan. We will be discussing pricing more in detail at the end of this video. However, if you want to use your own voice within your AI project, you can still do that for free. So simply go into avatars, pick out the avatar that you like. I want to create some UGC content, so I'm just going to select that from here. And we have quite a few different looks available. We can choose if we want portrait or if we want landscape type of videos, and it will show us all the different AI models that are available. So we have, quite a few different varieties. We have different age groups, ethnicities, and different looking people. That just brings more diversity whenever you're creating this type of content. So I want to be using this particular model over here. So I'm going to be using Harper. And once I select Harper from here, I can move on to the next section. Now, within the next section, we are going to either create the transcript, so we can use the voice of Harper, or one thing I really like to do is voice mirroring. So what is voice mirroring and what are all our sound options? First off, you can directly type in your script, such as, "Hi, I'm Lily. This is my honest review on XYZ product." And you can just directly ask the AI voice to say this for you. When you click on the AI voice, you have multiple different accents that you can use. You also have multiple different voices that you can use. So you can browse the HeyGen library to see which voice is going to fit your particular style, your particular branding the best, and you can just pick that out. However, if you want, you can also go back and you can see over here, if you just want to alter the accent, you can choose a different voice engine, including 11 Labs, Fish, and Starfish. Then you have your advanced settings. So in your advanced settings, you can change the speed, volume, similarity, style, and stability. So within styling, you can make your particular avatar more expressive, and this might make your delivery a bit unstable, but it just makes it more realistic. And then after that, you also have similarity. I'm going to tone that down, and just like so, you're able to just customize and tweak the voice to the way that you like it. Once you have customized it, you can play this. So currently the voice is not as enthusiastic, so I might want to go and add more style. And now it's going to process and recreate the voiceover. So you guys can see now it sounds different. Now, one other thing that you can do, which I find to be really amazing with HeyGen, is that you're simply going to go on ahead and click on audio. Now, when you click on audio, you're going to click on record, and then you can add your own voice. Not only do you have the ability to add your own voice to the AI model, but you have the ability to mirror your voice. So instead of having the AI model deliver the, transcript the way that it's delivering, instead you can record your own audio clip, and you can record with any emotion that you want, and then you can ask the AI to mirror your voice. So the emotion, the mood, the tone, the delivery that you have is going to be replicated by the AI. So over here, I'm simply going to click on record, and then you're going to enable your microphone, and then you're going to record. So I'm going to change the microphone settings over here, and then I'm going to record. Hi, I'm Lily, and this is my honest review on XYZ product. XYZ product has been an amazing product when it comes to my daily routine because it has enhanced my mood, and now I'm more calm than ever. But when it comes to energy, I am always energized. I'm ready to go on a hike or go on a train and travel to a new city. I can now do it all. Now, when you record this recording, you can directly embed this and have it lip sync your own audio. You can just click on add audio for that option. And what it's going to do, it's going to process your audio and create a transcript. So right now it is creating a transcript from my audio. And once it has created a transcript, you guys can see it has now created the transcript. I'm going to remove the first scene. Now, this is going to deliver as it is. So it's going to deliver everything as it is. However, if I wanted to mirror my voice, not have my voice, but actually use the voice of the AI, but the AI is going to try to speak like me, then I'm going to turn on voice mirroring. And this is great to add more emotion and to make your AI voices sound more realistic. So you're just going to select voice mirroring over here. And once done, you're just going to listen to it once more. So you guys can see it does sound very similar to the tone and delivery of my own, speech. And this allows you to create really customized voices, and everything can be tweaked to your personal liking, to the way that you want your delivery to be. Now, moving forward, it's time to take a look at pricing because are becoming really popular, and pricing is what is distinguishing a lot of them. So HeyGen probably is one of the most affordable tools out there. Their plans start with a free plan where you can create 3 videos per month, and your videos are up to 3 minutes, and you have 720p exports. Now on the creator plan, you have unlimited videos, and your videos can be upwards of 30 minutes with 1080p exports. Then you have a team plan that is $39 per seat per month. You have unlimited videos, and you can create upwards of 30 minutes of content per video, and you have 4K exports, which I find to be really useful for professional content. You also have 5 minutes of avatar IV per month, and 2 seats are included. You're able to add video drafts and editing, workplace collaboration, and other team features, and you can save 22% if you choose to pay yearly. So these are probably one of the best AI tools out there when it comes to creating this kind of content where you have AI avatars and making it super affordable as well. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. If you have any questions or queries, you guys can leave those in the comments down below. I would love to know what you guys have to say. Thanks for watching.